Hi boys and girls, today for problem solving you are solving this A Million Pop Tops page. It says the students at Lincoln School and Washington School are collecting Pop Tops from aluminum cans so each school could see what 1 million Pop Tops looks like. Both schools have been collecting the Pop Tops for 3 years. At the end of year 1, Lincoln School had a total of 262,186 Pop Tops. Washington School had a total of 262,453 Pop Tops. At the end of year 2, Lincoln School had 300,000 plus 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 90 plus 7 Pop Tops. Washington School had 315,005 Pop Tops. At the end of year 3, Lincoln School had 245,215 Pop Tops. Washington School had 200,000 plus 40,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 10 Pop Tops. The local newspaper organizes the Pop Tops information and then compares the total of each school for each school year using either greater than, less than, or equal sign. How could the newspaper write the 3 comparisons? Has either school reached their goal of collecting 1 million Pop Tops? Show all your mathematical thinking. Boys and girls, make sure that you underline or highlight important information that the problem is giving you. Also, be sure to underline or highlight the questions. I see 1, 2 questions, so I should have at least 2 answers. Within this first question, it asks for 3 comparisons, so there are 3 answers for just the first question. Be sure that you organize your information and your answers on your page so I can easily find and see your answers. And it says to show all of your mathematical thinking. So please do not just write symbols all over your page. Make sure that you write down what is going on in that smart brain of yours so that I can understand how you got your answers and how you know you're correct. When you're finished, put your name on your paper and turn it into the math tray.